What's up, guys? Let me know if you can hear me. I always think that you guys could hear me and then you can't. So, give me a second. We'll go ahead and jump right in and get started here.
All the hoes that have a man now, they pull my pants down. They know they don't got no chance now, become a man now. Used to be my only fan, she got only fans now. Yeah, I'm swerving, I got road rage, I feel like OJ. I don't wear no fucking Doja, I smell like Olay. I might go back to my old way, she want her soul safe. I done traded in my soulmate and got a gold chain. Okay, I came up wearing the privilege of poverty living, and I ain't had none but stress. I had to watch niggas winning and driving the foreigns, and I was just stuck in the fact. I had to learn me to finish, so once I applied it, I made me a couple of racks. I had menages with Nicki and Cardi and Megan, and then I woke up from a nap.
Okay. All right, guys. Welcome. My name is Cruz. I'm the founder and head trader of NewAgeWallStreet.com. We trade primarily options and futures, actually now stocks, small caps, stuff like that. Not so much crypto and things as of lately. Appreciate you stopping by, coming in, hanging out. We trade live like this every Tuesday and Thursday actually. And I apologize for last week. I got screwed up with Memorial Day and didn't stream on Tuesday, so I actually started going live on Wednesday, and then they're like, "Why are you live?" I was like, "Oh, oops." So appreciate you again, you guys coming and hanging out. Give me a second. I'm finishing up our game plan right here. So here's our areas of interest for the options and today. So I just want to check the open interest here real quick for the SPY. All right, so 427. Well, we are freaking sandwiched here, aren't we? Stupid. Cal Calendar. Do this thing right. There we go. Port is at 426. I said right. New believer.
Cuando por las noches recordaba todo, el olor de aquel perfume sobre todo, las sábanas blancas donde te escondías dentro. Bebecito con una joya de oro, esas piernas largas con el
For the
tus ojos grandes no te vienen laberinto. Y pensar que tú ya no vas a estar, pasará, solito me dejará intentar, solo me soy tú te vas de mi vida, como tú no hay nadie más.
There we go, and that's how I make my plan.
Si te sientes sola, no me llames por favor. Me pongo sensible, no tus ojos. Hacia azules el tequila, el interior, la ropa. Rico la champán, el polvo es color rosa. Yo contacto una que eres tú, mi hermosa. La que me alegra los días y sigo tomando. Y pensar que tú ya no vas a estar, pasará, solito me dejarás intentar, solo si tú te vas de mi vida, como tú no hay nadie más, nadie más. You remind me of
a Sunday.
back home in old Kentucky. Church choir. was soft and bright, greeting from the sun. So if it make you stay, I wouldn't act so angry all the time. I wouldn't keep it all inside, and I'd let you know how much I love you every day. Don't stay right here. This frost off of my heart. Well, I used to ride a Mustang, and I'd run that thing on high hopes. We raised across the dream so high. So I'll let that car just sit there when I should have took you driving. Windows down, brought you to the party. So if it make you stay, I wouldn't act so angry all the time. I wouldn't keep it all inside. I'd let you know how much I loved you every day. Always stay right here. Take this frost off of my heart. Always stay right here. Take this frost off of my heart.
All right.
I don't wanna hear the good side of this goodbye. If you wanna go, baby, just leave. Don't tell me that you still care, and that I'll always be special, 'cause his words don't mean a damn thing. And hey, that I'm still up,
Drunk as fuck.
worrying, writing this down. But I guess I'm okay, I'm being okay. Give it time, and we'll soon move on. Said my life was too fucked up to be with you, but here you go, apart till 2, and I wanna know what he has that I don't. Well, I was ready for the real thing, no more shame in this life I live, 'cause I would change for you. Don't know the hope you gave to me, but I guess I'm okay. Just need some cocaine and a bottle that'll float my mind. Take a trip to another world where you would be mine. And I don't wanna hear the good side of this good life. If you wanna go, baby, just leave. Don't tell me that you still care, and that I'll always be special, 'cause his words don't mean that thing. Hey, that I'm still up, don't smoke, or even writing this damn song. But I guess I'm okay, I'm being okay. Give it time, baby, I'll move on. Found couple living long days in the passenger seat where you looked over and smiled at me. I guess a picture ain't worth as many words as they say. Don't feel it, it's okay. I'll find my own way. Don't need your excuses to ease my pain. I guess it's just time for me to work on me. And I don't wanna hear the good side. There ain't no good side. You ain't ever gonna see I see. Don't let me let you see it. You'll always be there. 'Cause the words are just messing with me. Hey, then I'm still forever but I guess I'll be okay. Every time, baby, I'll move on. Don't you put on that makeup, we ain't going nowhere. Let's just sit on this porch swing, we can take it from there. It's the sound of the chain links as we ride till it's night. And we can watch as the sun sets in hopes of holding tight. You'll be my porch swing angel, got my heartstrings tangled, got those eyes that'll bring you to your knees. It's her smile like Sundays, been a while, but one day, yeah, that girl, she's the only thing I need. Wanna tell her how I feel, but I don't wanna scare her away. We've been friends for a long time, I don't wanna change that today. But I'm sick of fighting these feelings, 'cause I ain't second days. I'm tired of hanging on this limb.
What's up, guys? Just getting used to streaming here by myself, so apologize.
Got my heartstrings tangled, got those eyes that'll bring you to your knees. It's her smile like Sunday, been a while, but one day, yeah, that girl, she's the only thing I need. Be my porch swing angel, got my heartstrings tangled, got those eyes that'll bring you to your knees. Won't you be my porch swing angel? Got my heartstrings tangled, Got those eyes that'll bring you to your knees. It's her smile like some days. Been a while, but on one day, yeah, that girl, she's the only thing I need. Yeah, that girl, she's the only thing I need.
Dude, it's so weird, bro. Like to have people watching you and they don't interact. Like,
Shrimp boats coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a bunch train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. The high black water, a devil's daughter. She's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. And came back from
Seth, what's up? Good morning.
he gonna set down every right. He said it needs to be at least 3 feet higher and won't make it through the night.
The more I do like these YouTube streams and stuff, man, like the more I just don't want to do it no more. I'm super happy, like just trading and enjoying life, like with everything that's going on, like and for you guys, like I love trading with you guys that are in the group. Like when everyone's there, we're joking, whatever in the Discord. I'll always love. That's my favorite thing in the world, dude. Is just trading, talking crap, having a good time, trading. So, um, but I've just been having a good time, man. Just not really caring too much and putting too much pressure on anything else of growing the room, dude. I used to stay up until like 3, 4 in the morning making content, editing videos, everything. As you can tell, I don't really do that no more. I am creating the app, and that I've delegated that most of that workload to someone else. Um, so for today, guys, we got like 7 seconds to the bell, but I'm looking for a gap down, smackdown type setup. I would like to get a push up on the ES to 4285 or so to 4290 for the short down. But if you look, I did make it a. Oh, you could kind of see it when I roll my cursor right here. But this is the gap that I want us to fill here for if we can today. If not, we may just stay in this range. So there's definitely a bid in this area when we try to come down. Apple is sliding off here pretty heavily at the open. Microsoft as well. But I would want a pop up, like so give me a place to be able to risk off of for that trade. So that is the trade I'm looking at for today. And what I was saying is that I just finally enjoying stuff and being happy, man. Like especially with my truck, like my little project thing, it just keeps me busy, dude. Keeps me busy. Go to the gym. Been shopping for some land out in if you guys know where, so you guys know Austin, Texas, probably, but a little bit more west of there. There's It's called Texas Hill Country. There's it's what do you call it? Um, There's just a bunch of land and hills and country out there. I want to buy land in. So we're already testing the lows here, guys. And then on the open interest here, guys, 426 is the first little area. And then after that, we may get down at, so 423 is the next one. So, and that's exactly like towards the bottom where I would say that we would want to get to. But again, I need a pop up. I don't want to short the breakout to the downside. And if we were, I wish I could, I wonder if I can do it like this. If we were to take this chart like this, right? Oh, here we go. Oh, how come we can't? I don't know, but what I was going to say is if we're able to take this chart right here and flip it upside down, it's almost turning into like a little cup, right? It's a little cup handle area, and then to come back down. So, Chongo, what's up, brother? Apple had their like product release yesterday, guys. You guys see the Apple Vision Pro? Everyone's kind of talking and has an opinion on it. Um, so Apple's kind of driving the market right here, based off of those that news. But I would expect it to catch a bid right here, probably somewhere around in this area. And why could I could put the you guys want the book map up? All right, so there's a little bounce up. Ooh, Amazon is shooting straight up here, guys. I don't know if Amazon got news. Dash, Amazon Canada, and what? Sorry, guys. Um, and DoorDash announced free 1 year Dash membership for Prime members. Dude, I want free DoorDash. I'm sorry. Damn it, boy. He's trying to sell even. I don't want to get FOMO here and buy the breakout, man. I need a bounce. If I get the crossover of the S1 right here, I'll take that. But again, the plan was actually, to be 100% honest, was that I was hoping that we would get a little bit bigger push overnight, and I wanted to start my short or whatever more towards like up here at the 428.50 or 428 level in the overnight session, and then just let this be, and then hopefully get to 423. But we didn't get enough of a pop for me to feel comfortable with it, so I didn't take it. I was actually up to like 330. I woke up like at the um I mean I came to the computer right here at the London Open, and I was like, this isn't it. So I went and took a nap. What's up, guys? Please leave a comment, say hi, so I can acknowledge you, tell you good morning personally. I apologize. This is the way I like to kind of trade on this setup. Like, it's I have my computer thing like right here to the side, so um, I don't know. It's in the mic, so kind of lean like this. Pain, honey. So the VIX is a little bit down as of right now here, guys. Oh, excuse me. Going south. Oops. I like this push up to the VWAP on the SPY, but we didn't get anything close to it here on the ES. So, and the decision point is this 42.72 right now on the ES. So, um, we don't reclaim and stay above that, then we're gonna rotate back down. Oh, and now we're getting a bid coming in here. So going south. Also, guys, there's nothing on the economic calendar today, guys. So pretty much just organic price movement today, which I believe we're just gonna chill. So we'll see if we get the sell, but mostly just distribution mode right now. There we go. There's my pop up that I want. Claro que mi patria. VIX is at yesterday's lows. I'm going to go ahead and start a short right here. So here's my little pop up that I wanted. If we get anything near, I'll add. So I only went half size. If we get up here, I'll go ahead and add more. Anything above this high right here, I will cut. One thing, kind of a little, I've told my members this, kind of a secret thing that I do here, guys, is that I make my own little ETF of the big tech movers. So like right here, I have Amazon. So basically, you write in the tickers and you put a plus sign between them. So Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, Google, Apple. So that's what this chart is representing right here. It basically puts all those prices of those charts together, and then it moves in. It moves together. So right here, you could see that between these four tickers, it's in a bear flag right now, and is showing that it wants to go down. So when the four biggest market cap tickers move in unison, then you definitely want to be on the right side of that trade. So, or that move, I should say. Not, dude, I just felt nauseous this morning. AMD, AMD making a move here, bro. Oh yeah, AMD going for it. Is AMD powering the new, so Apple's making their own chips, right? They announced the M2 chip now, right? But that's their own chip, right? Nvidia, AMD, no one manufactures that for them, right? Someone said. There's a place here, dude, here in Texas. It's called the Truck Yard, and basically, what it is, it's a pretty cool business model. They get a bunch of food trucks and they park them inside this area, and then that's the food, right? It's not like an actual restaurant. It's different food trucks that they have in rotation, but then they have live music, right? And it's all outside. Most of it is all outside. uh it's all, and of course they serve beer is the biggest thing, and alcohol. And then it's, like I said, it's mostly outside, live music, and they just have a bunch of truck beds that you could sit on for like the benches and stuff. and and tables and everything or whatever. It just, and it's like a junkyard kind of, like, you know what I mean, like, um it's cool vibes. It's really they have some pretty cool, like, music, the kind of up and coming, or local area bands and stuff. Yeah. So again, once again, I may have jumped the gun here and got in a little bit early. So I managing risk with it though. So like I said, if we get up here towards this level, I will add. This is the original level where I wanted it to bounce up to and take the short. So I'll get a better average and add that level. Anything above there though, I'll cut.
When you let me in the cold hard clay, we'll sing them hymns while the banjo plays. You can tell them ladies that they ought not frown, 'cause there ain't been
And
nothing.
then, so that's where they had the Cobra Texas Roundup, whatever thing, and I couldn't find them once I got there. So there's a little push up. I couldn't find them once I got there. So I just got in line to grab a beer. I just got in line to grab a beer, and I was actually wearing my Air Force or my Jordan ones. I was wearing my Jordan ones, and this dude stepped back and he stepped on my shoes, and then he looked down and he's like, "Oh man," I know how you city slickers like them shoes. He's all, "I'm so sorry about that." And I was like, "Dude, they're fucking shoes, bro. Like, if someone expects them to be like, to stay clean, I think it's so silly." And like I was just like, "Don't worry about it." And he's like, "No, I'm gonna buy your beer right here, right now, because I feel really bad." And he did, and it was, dude. I've been a few places, and then after that, so I still couldn't find like the Cobra people because they rented out like this little area, and so they were out in the corner or whatever. And I was walking by, and they're like, "Hey, this is Cruz. I just met him online. I messed up his sneakers," and then they invited me to sit there and talk with them or whatever. We're hanging out for a bit, and I invited them over to the Cobra event, like if they're interested in trading. And it's just cool how nice people are out here. Like in Albuquerque, you know, they would have gave me, like, they would have wanted to fight because they stepped on my shoe. Like, that's stupid. So, all right. So we're testing view up here on the ES. Right now, one foot in, one foot out. Gonna have to grab my water here in a second, guys.
I was selfish, unprepared. I can't blame you if you're scared. But believe me, you're the girl that I've been needing. Chance is yours to take. The heart is yours to break. So put me in my place. Bet your friends can list some reasons why you should leave me tonight. I can't argue what they're saying, but I ain't one foot in and one foot out. How we spin until right now. I'm over on my lying and believing. I was selfish, unprepared. I can't blame you if you're scared. But believe me, you're the girl that I've been needing. Chance is yours to take. My heart is yours to break. So put me in my place. I hope it's next to you. Tell me what to say.
I I think we do come up in test 4280, guys. We'll see. For those of you guys that are new to the stream and you guys have watched other YouTubers, or I don't even consider myself really a YouTuber, but YouTuber people on TikTok or people that trade live, dude, I know it's totally different vibes. There's people not yelling at you like to take trades and like get the fuck in and like other things. This is really what trading's like, bro. Like anyone that I know that makes 7, 8 figures is not jumping up and down, dude. Um, Most of the time, it's a smoke a cigarette or a vape after a good trade. I really want to add to my position right here at this point when this little rejection of the VWAP right here. But the plan is if it does get up, it has the potential to get up here to that 4280. So I will be pleasantly surprised if it does, and then I will add that. If not, then I just make taco money. I don't even make taco money. We'll make some. What are those chips called that the little vendors sell with the little pinwheels? I forgot. I thought you should know. VIX is still down right now, guys. So I would like to see it bounce a little bit more to for us to move down. I wonder if YouTube doesn't show my videos as much because I play the music and after I get done streaming every Tuesday, Thursday, I literally my phone will go off for about 2 minutes straight of emails of every song that played that I'm getting a copywritten notice about. So I wonder because of that if I get kind of throttled on um the viewers or whatever the pushback. Yeah, dude, it's nuts, man. I it makes my phone for like that little short amount of time. It makes it my phone unusable because it like those notifications just keep on coming up. um, and it's mostly like if I keep on talking, obviously you can't tell like there's music in the background. But then there's the reason why I just thought of this is because I'm just chilling here. I'm sure it picks it up, but I like having the music on my computer. I mean, obviously I have the Alexa in the back, like I could have it on, but the whole apartment has like surround sound and stuff. I wonder if that would be better. Yeah, 354. We're still in the big bear flag right here on those four tickers that I told you about. The VIX is still pushing kind of down here, so we have time though. We have time. Amazon is relative strength this morning, along with semiconductors. So Nvidia and AMD. If you're looking for the bullish side of things, that's where I would put my attention. So, and like I've been telling my guys in the room lately, if you want to go bullish, go Nasdaq and QQQQ. If you're looking for downside, I would say since so ES SPY is laggard more on that end, get the downside on the ES or SPY or what have you. So same thing goes like if you're playing options, right? So I've been playing a lot more, actually, exclusively futures, guys. It's been a while since I took a. I was actually thinking of that the other day or last night. It was uh like if I were to trade a option and buy an option contract again, it just probably feel a little awkward because just like a little rust, you know what I mean? Because I haven't done it in a little bit. Now I'm getting used to these futures. So um yeah. Um but even on the options, so buy puts on the Qs, buy calls on the, or excuse me, buy puts on the SPY, SPY, SPX if you're baller, and puts on the Qs, or calls on the Qs. You could see this. All these sellers are lined up right here towards the VWAP. I wonder if you could put a VWAP here on. Oh, you can look. See. So the VWAP. So I don't think this is right though, because it's saying it's above VWAP right here. Unless my VWAP is anchored, it's different. So that's what's crazy, dude, about indicators is that if you have different data, then they plot differently. And that's the other part too, where like sometimes if someone will come in and say, "Oh, at 426.57 is exactly the resistance that we should get to." No, bro, because like everyone's data is a little bit different, and everyone doesn't see the point that you see. Someone may be using ARCA data where someone else is using BATS or Nasdaq or what have you. So that's why I say it's a point of or an area of interest, right? Right. So it could be uh, a little bit of and like a range where there's a point of liquidity instead of just the exact to the penny. Like if you get to the penny, like I know I joke like, oh, I'm so good and whatever, like I get it to the penny. That's just luck. Like, and anyone, and if any other person that is in a um educator type role or whatever here on YouTube or any other social medias tells you anything different, that they're just so good that the market obeys your line. The market doesn't give a shit that your line is there. You got lucky that one time. So this VIX is like, pretty good, dude. Like Apple just broke lows here, more selling. You guys ever watch NASCAR? I know probably not, but they used to say that, you guys know who Dale Earnhardt Jr. is, right? They used to say that he he could see air, if that makes sense. He could see like the way the air would draft off the cars, and he knew how to position himself correctly for that. And I believe he's like the originator kind of guy of the bump drafting and everything in NASCAR. Um, so I was just kind of my own personal thoughts to myself when I was studying the other night on Sunday. I was like, I'm like the Dale Earnhardt of trading. I could see where like pretty good where liquidity is going to be, where we're going to have a reaction at least, right? And so that's if you guys were listening to JJ yesterday, right? So like it's kind of like what he was saying, right? So our job is just to put look at the points of interest on the chart and look at the reactions once it gets there. So not to predict, not to anything. You wait until it gets to those levels, and then you see how if we have enough supply um, or we have enough demand to break those levels if we're bullish, and if we don't, then we're going to rotate back down, right? And that's all I do, dude. That's all I do is sit here and look at the reactions at levels and how forcefully they react at those levels, right? And those give you those little that's how your discretion and that kind of trader intuition is built of just looking at the levels of interest of liquidity where you should get a reaction on the chart because everyone's attention is pretty much in that same area, and then storing that in the memory in the back of your memory there for okay, next time when I see this type of reaction, this is what happens. And then that's how your technical setups are born then, because you say, well, now this percentage of times that this happens at the way the price reacts at this level, this is the percentage it happens, and then this is the percentage that of the reaction afterwards, and that gives me a little bit of an edge to take these trades and be correct. All right, so we're almost getting to my ad spot here.
I remember being younger and my mother told me the truth. Find someone who grows flowers.
Sorry about you.
Take heed when things get hard and don't you ever turn around. You'll find someone someday somewhere.
All right, so back to our balance area right here on the SPY.
You walked me home that evening and I could barely walk.
And we got more of a bounce that time here on the ES and SPY than we did on the VIX, or excuse me, on the Qs. On the day.
I've seen hard times, bad luck, all that in between. Sweetest of sunflowers, they were sun. Sweetest of sunflowers, they were sun. I got make call for the men who sold their lives to West Van living.
Yeah, that's where that the view up is.
And that woman in the kitchen, she keeps on cooking, but she ain't had meat in years. You just live off bread, live off hope, and a pool of a million tears. Now let me tell you something about the gospel, and make sure that you mark it down. When God spoke out, let there be light, he put the first of us in the ground. And we'll keep on digging till the coming of the Lord, who Gabriel's trumpet sounds.
So I'm really tempted to get my second entry here, but VIX is still not showing any type of and right now we may not get a huge drastic like push up on the VIX or whatever, but there's not any type of fear right now in this market, which is crazy because if we do start moving really aggressively to the especially to the downside, right now premium is super cheap. So if you come over here, premium is on sale right now, guys. So we're only 20% implied volatility right here. We have next week, I think 16th is the monthlies, right? So this is, oh my gosh, dude, it's 15. and that's with FOMC and everything. So those premiums would move very, very quickly if we start moving very fast. And so, like, if you look, especially like at the uh, today's the 6th, right? So yeah, dude, look at the money contracts right now for the SPY is 76 cents. See, now I'm glad I didn't take that that ad down here. So 42.80, we'll see. See, the cool thing about this book map is you could see when the liquidity starts getting eaten out right here. So there's 200 and some contracts, and then you'll start seeing this go 150, whatever. And if you're short or whatever your position is, then you can almost snipe the entry then at that point. So right now they're just refreshing it, and they're also refreshing up here at 281, 4281 even. So and actually Nasdaq tickers look like they want to take off here. So I may just step to the side, man, and just let it do its thing. Wait for a better entry instead of adding. All right, so we just broke 4280. There we go. So I'm gonna set to the side right there now with all that demand coming in here, guys. So I wanted it to, and that's what I'm talking about. Is that we knew I had told you guys that the 4280 right here area was the point where I wanted to come up to, and I want to see the reaction. And now they are trying to. We are hitting the sellers up here, so we'll see if the sellers could keep it below the 4282 or so. We do have up to 4285 where it could get to, and then anything above that. So, or actually 4290 or so, is very bullish. But if we start rejecting around in this area, then I'll try again here in a little bit. And that loss that I just took was completely my fault. Like I said, always super early and anxious in my trades, bro. That's one of my things I'm trying to work on as of lately. Being a little bit more patient for entries. And honestly, this long was actually very straight up down to yesterday's lows. Tested yesterday's lows perfect, a little bit lower, but once it reclaimed here, this would have been a really nice long. So um, once it proved that it wasn't going to stay in this low volume area. Hmm. So you guys hear in the background, I'm zero. Okay. Um, I so what was I going to say? Oh, you guys hear in the background? This is JJ, VWAP trader on Twitter. He's a fun market maker and uh, trader, and he's actually really good. One of the few traders I respect very well, very much so. I listen to him to get through the metaphors and the teaching part. Yeah, if you guys listen to how he teaches, it's like really nice. So if you wanted to get bullish right here, you could get crossover on the PDC at this point. So we're back like kind of like in this balance from overnight right here, guys. So this is like kind of like a big compression right here. Like if I put it in this 15-minute right here, you can see where it's on the 15-minute compression. It's even purple candle from the 15. So we're kind of back testing this little breakout right here, and we definitely have the potential for us to move up. I don't think so though, because like we have the higher open interest right here. If we do, probably 429 or so, then that's it. So, but I mean, even 429 is a nice little move for 2 points. With the VIX being so low, like a point, like a half a percent move or something like that. So that's fine. But I would still like this area right here a little bit higher for the downside. So be patient and see if you get my trade. If not, then it's cool. Give me a little L and it'll be fine. When the ducks are quacking, Mike, you all over it. Sorry, bro. That better? Dude, you're gonna have to tell me how to say your name. Ebenar? Ebenar? Good morning, though. Nice, dude. I'm living vicariously through you right now. You're making my profits. Awesome. Nice to meet you. All right. Now the base is kind of in here. You're looking good, dude. Tesla push up here really nicely, and then Apple as well. Microsoft, it's looking pretty decent, man. It's trying. We got a little bit of supply right here. We get over 42.86, we'll get 42.90 probably pretty quickly. So, but a little bit of a bump in the road right here, right at the highs we were previously at. Exactly. 42.80, 86.85 right here in this area. So, yeah, 42.86 on the put map. There goes Tesla. Tesla moving up. Apple's trying, dude. And so my little indicator right here, my floor trigger indicator, right? My streak, now it's starting to move up. Back to PDC again. I hope it doesn't. I hope it keeps moving up. Jeez, oh, there goes Apple. Apple got the break above. Qs are trying to break the balance line right here, guys. Almost PDC. There it goes. Little pop up. I'd be impressed if we get to 4,300 again, guys. That would be pretty cool. So we cleared a lot of it here, dude. Now we have a little bit of a path to 4286. Ooh, you're gonna get a nice little candle right there, bro. Let's see if you do. All right, so Qs are now crossover on the balance line. Apple just broke highs, the high of this little trend right now, and Nvidia looks like it wants wants to go for a 10-point win. Amazon as well, dude. I may trade some options. Amazon over here. Market. There we go. Not enough juice. I think we're just waiting, dude. Let's see what happens at this half-hour mark right here. Looking pretty good, dude. Anytime it comes down, you see this bid refresh. That's why you see like these little lines. Oops, I think I zoomed too far. You see all these lines right here where the bid comes in and out. So anytime it dips, they're refreshing. So we'll see, dude. I would say once you break this structure right here, if you break the structure forward to 2730 or so, then that would be just it, and then let it reset up again. I just wanted to go higher so I could do a better short. My screen is just nasty, bro. Welcome to the stream, guys. If you guys are new to the stream, please like, and if you do get value out of it, there you go. Come on, motherfucker. Um, if you guys are new to the stream, please like if you're getting value out of this. This is absolutely free. On Tuesday and Thursday, we trade live like this, and there's no anything for it. Just ask for you to share it with another trader friend that may benefit. Um, yeah, so VIX is still headed down, dude. Mm. Starting to get a little bit of divergence right here, guys. So I mean, you can definitely see the sellers that are stacked up. You still got the algo? What do you mean? Flow algo or the purple candles? You can see the purple candles going off right here. But yes, I'm not working directly on the purple candles and the algo thing. Oh, look at this bid that just jumped in here. There you go, bro. Um, so uh, I have a developer that's helping me out with it, dude. The plan is to have it released in, so we're getting probably within the next month or so. I will start having people beta, beta test it. Dude, I just want to see the big old candle here for you to 42.90, Seth. But be patient, dude. You see the structure, right? You see the structure of the flag. You understand, like, the break of this kind of like low, like that structure right here where the bid was in this area. That's then where you just go ahead and get out, let it do its thing. And you can flow out. So I haven't used Flow quite a bit here. Um, I think the whole flow kind of trading got very, very saturated. Like that kind of alpha got taken out. And now with so many people trading options and stuff, it's a little bit harder to read. Not necessarily that you can't do it, but it's a little bit harder to read to understand which ones are essential and important pieces of the flow. Now, I mean, we know where the liquidity is at, and so we can tell which way the market's leaning towards. Um, I haven't been looking at it that much unless I see something like absolutely really crazy, which we have like in the Discord. Uh, we have flow from Trade Tick in the Discord. And then you could also query like whatever ticker that you want directly for the flow that you want. I don't know. I don't know if you felt that right there, dude, or you let it kind of do its thing to see if it'll get bought up. Dang, that was a little. David, what's up? Good morning, bro. But, if you're just tuning in here, if you guys are just watching me, maybe from the stream, I'm just waiting. I took a loss a little bit ago here on the short. I'm gonna bounce right here. Saw the strength coming in, and it went to the side and let it do its thing. So now, if the short sets up again, great. We'll go ahead and take it. But I'm kind of drilling at the back of you know, closing in this area. So and then this kind of right here is looking a lot like if you take this right, take a mental picture of this right, and then you come and you look at the other day, and we had 2 days of run right, so we had 2 days of run, and then we push up. So this was yesterday. This would be today, and then tomorrow would be the down, and then down. So does this not look almost mirror image of this? We just need a few more days for it to play out. It's crazy to hear someone that's been doing this 30 years. Sometimes I can take myself out of a paper bag. Uh, for what looks like, guys. Like I said, if we were 4,300 today, I would be genuinely pleasantly surprised. I'd be a little upset that we were in the trade because this was such a nice trade. But I'm wrapped around the whole we're at resistance and kind of fade down thing, but there's just not anyone that wants to short right now, dude. So I don't know if you're still in here, but good. This little wick right here, this is bullshit. Yeah, so we should get so as long as we accept over 4290, we should get 4300, guys. So also on the open interest in on this point, we're at 428. So the next biggest one is 429. If we break excuse me, yeah, 429, then it would be crazy if we could get to 434. Really, I don't want to say doubt it, but that would be not nasty. So now we have a bid right here, 4288, guys, and then 4290 starts little resistance, and then you could see people stack up already 4295 and then 4300. Lots of everyone's up there waiting already to sell. If we get the crossover and the pivot, I'll probably get long little scout. Some nice volume right here.
Order filled.
Dude, I keep on making mistakes on my order entries, and it's pissing me off, dude. So, luckily, that was a good mistake, but I was one this morning. Are you still in, Seth? I don't know if you're even still here or not. All right, so back at the bid area 42, basically support and resistance flip right here at the 4290. So No, that's good, dude. Dude, defense is the best offense, man. Well, bro. Yeah, I mean, but dude, that's something forever in our trading is that we will try to, be better on you. Know what I mean, your intro is on point. You did it. You saw the trade, you took it, and no, uh, you know, yeah. See, there you go, bro. See if I got any crossover play right now. Here. The VIX is wanting to bounce. Bro. Double top, yeah, or even a little bit lower right here with the volume would be nice too. But that was the original thing I wanted. Cheers, brother. Good day. I'm cutting alongside with you. Here come 10 o'clock hour right here, guys. 11 o'clock hour Eastern. we're at this point where it's like, well, we could continue for another a point, 2 points, 2 points here on the ES, or take my guns and Amazon is pushing its way up. I had even said Amazon trade right there would have been really nice, and I looked away for a little bit. We're still showing this volatility expanding here on the TTM. So for the short dude, no, he said he got out, dude. Then I think he's doing other stuff now. So the NQ is right at 14,600 too. Bro, this is actually our playlist right here, bro. I'm actually playing, and it has been on point all morning long. It is definitely vibes right here. Do you guys have Dutch Bros where you live? Oop, there we go. We're starting to slide off a little bit now. This volume dropped off dramatically right here, guys. So I'm looking for one more little push up, and then let's see if I could get short. Oh, the Hispanic music. Oh, dude, it's. I think I don't. You guys have probably heard me talk about this before, but the Spanish music that's out right now, they call it. I mean, the genre is actually regional Mexican, but the we call it corridos tumbados or corridos bélicos, and it's basically like a rap style corrido, like the lyrics are very rap inspired, almost like I said, and it's dope, dude. It's very like for younger generation Hispanic, like um, I really like it. No Dutch Bros where you're at, dude. Dutch Bros. I went the other day, and they have a mangonada freaking drink, dude. You put some freaking alcohol in that. Oh, that's a party. It was good, dude. We may get another push like we did right here. It's hard price action right here, guys. This little kind of step chop. You know what I mean? Honestly, I might just take my L, dude. So if we don't get nothing within the next 20 minutes or so, I'm just gonna take my little stop out L, and I got some errands to run. I got to go to the doctor's, a doctor appointment, and it's fine, dude.
Order filled.
All right, so I'm getting some short right here, guys. So VIX is showing that it's hit a little bottom right here. Ooh, Tesla just pushed up a little bit. You have orders on spot puts for tomorrow. One filled. Need a spike to fill the others. Give it until 11:20. Yeah, so it's the kind of same plan that I have here. So same thing. Now sellers are stepping in right here at the 42.90. So you see. So we'll see, dude. Even if we rotate back down to PDC, that would be a nice little trade for today. So that would be 8 points right here. So 8 times 50, 8 times 5 is $400 per contract. So make like 1,600 right here. My eyes are burning today. Nvidia is trying to push up right here. Also, Microsoft on off the lows. There we go. This thing is moving like fast as hell. Time goes by like so quick when you're looking at the charts, dude. Like, I didn't realize that I sat here until like 1 o'clock yesterday. I was like, holy crap.
eyes, I don't wanna hide. I've been waiting for you all day night.
Come on, mark it.
There's nails on your skin turn white. Getting high up in Austin, drunk in Tennessee. I don't care where I am, as long as you're with me. Those boys downtown talk so much shit when I leave. With you, get out, dude. Get out, dude. Oh, get out, dude. 'Cause I'm new. I'm new.
Ideally, I would want it to stay under this 4292.
Grass smells at night. You got flames all in your eyes. They reflect the sparkler and say we'll never die. Grab me by the hand.
Nice. Okay, cool.
As I am. Say you're proud. We walk around the world, stepping not giving a damn about where our feet land at. Yeah, get your ass smudged. Yeah, 21. Dickens. 21, can you do something for me? Can you hit a little rich flex for me? Then 21, can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? 21, do your thing, 21, do your thing. Do your thing, 21, yellow diamonds in the white.
Where's your target there, Dirk?
That's how you get shot. I DM in vanish mode, I do that shit a lot. Took her panties off and this bitch thicker than a fly. All my exes ain't nothing, them hoes busted. If my ops ain't rapping, they ass ducking. You ain't ready to pull the trigger, don't clutch it. I know you on your period, baby. Can you suck it? I'm a savage. Smacker, booty, and magic. I slap a pussy nigga with the ratchets. I might slap a track on this whip and get the addict. Don't call me on Christmas Eve, bitch. Call your dad. Bitch, call your uncle. Bitch, don't call me. Always in my ear, your whole feet. Why my Austin posted guns and only use they feet? Paid like an athlete, I got all of you hoes.
426. Okay. It's holding really good right here, bro. I don't like it.
That's just what a nigga on. Internet clones got 'em kissing through the phone. Pussies clicking up so they don't feel alone. Hey, man, niggas seeing me, I'm young money, CMB. I used to roll with CMG. The house is not a B&B. The bad bitches waiting on a nigga like I'm P&D. I'm steady pushing P, you niggas pushing PTSD. I told her ass to kiss me in the club, fuck a TMZ. I used to want a GMC when Mo was doing B&E. We revving up and going on a run like a DMC. I lay up with her for a couple days. BRB rappers love asking if I fuck when you know he did. When you know he did. She came in heels, but she left out on a cozy shit. Hey, I'm living every 24 like Kobe did. Shout out to the 6, RP to 8. Swear this shit is getting bait. I'm on 10 for the cake. Get a lot of love from 12, but I don't reciprocate. 51 division, stay patrolling when it's late. 21, my addy, so the knife is on the gate. All the dogs eating off a Bobby Rock crate. Niggas see Drake and they underestimate. Take it from a vet, that's a rookie ass mistake. Hey.
There we go. Oh my goodness.
You can go to hell, my dear. You probably like it better there. It's all them boys who thought they could make it. Dead man's curve gonna lay them down. All the things you put me through. Safe to say I'm tired of you. Had our times, yeah, we had a few. But where are we gonna be when the pills run out? Where are we gonna go when the dam breaks loose and the white line fever gets hold of me? How we gonna make it to higher ground if you won't get up and leave?
We just need to see if it keeps on going, dude, because every dip just gets bought, bro. There we go. That's a little bit better. Keep on going.
But in the end, it always rains, and honey, you can cause a storm. But I'm tired and soaking wet, and hunkered over trying to catch my breath. Broke my back and did my best to hold you through the shakes. But it's hard to keep floating on founder, dreaming, taking in water at crazy speed. How can I get to the shore on time?
Microsoft is selling here pretty nicely.
My heart was never much on games, let alone the ones you play. I've only got one and it's already broken, so why you wanna throw it around? I wish I had the strength to go, but it's a long
There we go. Bring it back on home to daddy here. About time, dude.
where we gonna go when the dam breaks loose and the white line fever gets hold of you? How we gonna make it to higher ground if you won't get up and leave? And it's hard to keep floating on founder, dreaming, taking in water at crazy speed. How can I get to the shore on time if you won't keep floating?
I would love for us to get back to low of day. You guys think we have that juice?
You can go to hell,
It's a
my
pretty decent
dear.
sell.
Probably like it better there. All them boys thought they could make it. Dead man's curve gonna lay them down.
Ooh, we're trying to butter through 4280. That is nice. Let's see. Do it, dude. So 4275 would be next area then, if we could do that. And it's trying, dude. Oh my goodness. Self a strong one. Get lonely, I do.
Memory gets burned, lean back on the bourbon. Sure as hell can't keep leaning on you. Looks like I'm learning the hard way again. It's all my fault. Yeah, I dropped the ball. You're gone and I'm gone 3 feet through the wind. Thinking about all I've wasted on you. All of this time and all of this money.
Nice, dude. I want to. I think I might be getting a little overzealous here, dude. This 4280 is definitely the spot. But dude, I really wanted to get to down back here. I'll give it a little bit of a chance. luckily have an amazing average, so I could kind of let it do its thing. This is a nasty wick right here. Apple's now selling. Yeah, so that's where those bids came in really strong. That 4280. We have PDC, Balance Line, freaking everyone and their homies stacked up at 4280. So I mean, that may be it, dude. Um, this may have been just the little dip they needed to get more accumulation to keep on running up. But like I said, I'll give it one more chance here. 4290 or so be the absolute last place to try again. We got half hour, full hour of the session, I should say, or 2 hours in the session here in 30 seconds or so. Oh my goodness. This may have been a good retry right here. Not retry, but like an ad spot. I didn't add though. Yeah, no, definitely understand, dude. The VIX light looks like it wants to run back up to the upside here. Nice, dude. You've been nailing them, man. That steady gains, just stacking up those wins, man. Doing really nicely. Congrats, man. It's a whole lot of ice cream. You're gonna keep Baskin Robbins in business for a while. Oof, knock on wood, bro. Just make sure you keep your risk in line, man. My biggest losses come after win streaks. So don't change anything, dude. Don't size up. Don't change anything, bro. Good, dude. Um, it's about a week's worth of work for you right now.
Order fills.
I stopped out, dude. Basically break even. But if it rejects right here, I may jump back in. I don't. It is just wild. We don't have any like. There's not any fear for us to. In order for us to short, dude, I'm just gonna have to look at buying more dips than selling. Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly. So that's it kind of sucks because like now I kind of like the long, dude, but it's that time of day. Kind of don't shouldn't put in anything else on. Just take the L, dude. I'm down like $60. It's not a bad deal. Bad deal. Yeah, so it's a little bit of a hard day, bro.
Daddy worked like a mule, mining Pike County coal. He fucked up his back, couldn't work anymore. He said, one of these days you'll get out of these hills. Keep your nose on the grindstone, out of the field.
Order filled.
See the ways of this world just bring you tears. Keep the Lord in your heart, and you'll have nothing to fear. Live the best that you can. It don't lie and don't steal.
See, that's what my thing was, dude. Is that I nailed this downside right here down, and normally I would have took profit right here, but I wanted all the way to the lows and just a little bit too aggressive. You know what I mean?
But I remember your words, Lord, that bring me chill. Keep your nose on the grindstone, out of the field.
1025. This one right here. Yeah. So the way it got bought up, yeah, absolutely, I agree with you, dude. All these sellers right here are playing games. They're bluffing right here at the 42.90.
And there's hurt you can cause, time alone cannot heal. Keep your nose on the grindstone, out of the field. Well, Daddy, I've been trying, I just can't catch a break. There's too much in this world, can't seem to shake. But I remember your words, Lord, they bring me a chill. Keep your nose on the grindstone, out of the hills. Keep your nose on the grindstone.
See if we break 42.90, get back up here to the highs. There it goes. It's trying. There we go.
Order filled.
Took a little scalp on the upside right there. So that'll make me break even there, guys. No big deal for today. Which, if you guys look at my note, so my note for today, I pretty much said taco money day today. So well, this doesn't look like my game plan from today. It is though. Maybe it was yesterday that I wrote it. I don't know. I may have erased it. So who knows, dude? But I did set a lower expectations today. So just play for some taco money. Now, if they could, if the Nasdaq could pull up the ES and the SPY to keep on going right here, like I said, 4,300. Everyone's stacked up there. So but here's kind of that double top that Dirk was talking about. I'm really not interested in the downside anymore, dude. Like any type of dip gets bought up freaking aggressively. So I'd be looking for dips to buy. Close at 43.05. What makes you say 43.05? Dude, Tesla is going for a freaking ride right here. It's up $3 on the day. Oh, that's only from the PDC though. From the lows, it's up $8. So about like 4% or something like that. Actually, it's 1%. Oh no, dude, that's measured from the PDC. So give me a second. Sorry, guys, I'm giving you wrong information over here. 3.87%. Damn, I was pretty close. I said 4%, right?
Used to chase that Chattanooga freight. Couple of kids in a Chevrolet. Catch a little air on the cross track. Sipping on something from a paper stack. And hang your shirt on that maple lamp. Slipping through the moon to the liver man. Wasn't very long, I was jumping in. Jumping in. I guess I'm still doing now what I was doing then. Chasing you like a shot of whiskey. Burning, going down. Burning, going down. Chasing you.
The NQ is having a hard time right here at the 14,600 too.
Anywhere out of this whole wet town. Chasing that freedom, chasing that feeling that got gone too soon. Chasing that you and me, I always see in my review. Yeah, I'm ready tonight, holding someone new. Still chasing you, still chasing you. You always used to talk about LA. I heard you got as far as Santa Fe. Well, you know I tried to track you down. I only got as far as
Order filled.
I just put one MNQ as a little runner right here to see if it moves up, dude. It's not going to do anything. So I'm going to call it a stream, guys. I got a shower. Like I said, I got a bunch of errands and I got a doctor appointment to go to. So I'm going to just set some alerts on this one, let it do its thing. So that's MNQ. If I could get like 50 points, that would be pretty cool out of it. Any questions? Anything about today, guys? Fourth candle after morning high was my double top. Already traded it. Oh, I see. Right on the options, it's really hard to do anything on the options right here. So that's why I just took this one MNQ, bro. If it breaks, if it stays above this 14,600, and we get a nice little break right here. So I'll actually put it right here, guys. So you could be kind of like what I'm playing for is this balance and compression right here. So if it breaks this area, so for kind of fill in this gap right here, it'd be nice if we could get 100 points or 80 points. That would be really nice, but just a little runner right here. Everything's looking to be pointed up here really nicely. Apple, Microsoft, the VIX just broke low. So if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, I lose like $10. So no big deal. Awesome. I know today was one of those patience days. We were able to make some money, but you kind of have to be selective. So looking into next week, we have a lot going on. We'll get some more volatility in range. So hopefully we make more money next week. But nice to not be losing money in this environment. And we know where the market is actually obeying the levels that we have marked out and everything. So It's been nice. But for my room, I'll put on the screen share in the Discord, and then I'll see you guys on Thursday for live trading. Everyone else that is not in our Discord, if you're not in our Discord, I don't know why you're not. Come hang out, come join us, so you can trade live with us every day. Okay, see you guys.
Go hard or go home. Every day since birth. Out here looking in